Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix GPS no signal outdoor on your OnePlus Watch 4. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and press on the side button on the bottom and restart the watch. This is the first thing we want to do because we want to make sure that our GPS is refreshed and that our system is also getting refreshed. That's why we click on restart right now and the watch is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates on our watch. So let's unlock it. We're going to wait for it to start and then we're going to move on and open up the settings. So let's go over and check the settings. We're going to scroll down, click on it here, and now what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down a little until we see the system updates. It is almost at the bottom, and here we tap on it. Now it should tell us if our software is up to date here. So we want to make sure that it is. And as you guys can see, if you do have an update available, make sure to continue with your phone and then proceed to download the latest version. What are we going to do next is, as a last resort here, is we're going to resync the GPS. So we need to go over and start a random workout, for example, outdoor run. We are waiting for the GPS here to sync. If it won't work, we can click on go right here, and now it is finding our location. So as you guys can see, now we want to make sure that we create some kind of pace, but we really have to go and walk a little. And what are we going to do now is we're going to, let me quickly unlock it. We're going to go to workout and just end the workout. Now of course you need to be running at least 150 feet, otherwise it won't be saved. But still, the GPS, if it's resynced, then it will be saved, like not a workout but the GPS, and it will finally work properly. So as you guys can see, we're going to hold to end it. We're going to click end workout and it's done. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.